So we're just showing Lee around the property. He's liking it so far. We're so excited to show somebody. We haven't had anybody here yet. We were just showing him this bit where that peg is. That's our... Where is that? You can't see the other peg, but anyway. I like all that stuff. No.
What?
They're not our chairs.
They're ours now, it's on our
No,
own.
they're not. We didn't bring them.
Some of them look alright actually.
Ew.
Oh, that's a good one. No, it's just showing normal blockers. So you need that fitting. Yeah, you need that fitting there to slide over.
We're just trying to work out the water for the shower, aren't we? Is that the shower water? Hmm?
The thing is, if I take these off,
Yeah.
water's going to come out of there.
Yeah, so don't take it off of,
I'll have to get some of these.
have to get some more, yeah.
Yeah, you got to push that one in. We'll sort
So
it
what do
out.
you need to know about the water?
Well, I obviously have to get some blockers to block that off. I've got some in there, but they're not like that. They're like the black ones with the pinch thing. I don't know if it'll hold it or not. I don't know if it'll hold it. Was that cold water working?
No.
Why wouldn't that cold water work? You've got to be able to do both.
It just didn't turn on at all. I thought you said the other day the hot and the cold were around the wrong way.
Yeah, this one's shut down. It's cold water, should work now.
Oh God.
Yeah. Which one was that?
You've got a valve down here that takes off before your hot water.
Oh, okay.
You want it open?
Not yet, no. Where is it? Is that for the cold?
Yeah, so what happens then is your mains water comes in,
Yeah.
goes up, that goes up to your hot water service, and this is your cold supply to your shower block here.
Oh, okay, right.
So you open that, and that gives you cold straight from the
Yeah,
house.
but it's coming out of here as well.
Not here. You can shut this
No,
off.
no. It's coming out of those hoses in there, the grey hoses. Remember
Yeah,
we...
because you need to cap them.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's your
okay.
cold supply there.
Yeah, alright. No worries.
Oh, cool.
Excellent.
Awesome.
So we can... Once they're blocked, we can have a shower.
That'd be lovely.
I reckon.
Lee's been here 5 minutes. He's already sorting everything out.
That's it.
He's an engineer. That's what he does.
No big
Now what are you
connect,
looking at?
obviously.
Because if you can isolate them, just take those blockers.
Ah. I'm just following them around. I have no idea what you're doing.
It'll be connected, like.
Yeah. It's all on the same line.
So you'd have to get blockers for this one as well.
What you could do, actually, no, Dennis, I got a better idea.
What's that?
You
just fart.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Because it tees off.
It's on video.
Oh, really?
Yeah, okay,
It tees off here.
Right.
And you disconnect that tee. Oh, actually, no, because that's going to be your
It's
shower.
still, yeah.
Because I think that tees into your shower. line.
No, you definitely have to get another block, two more buttons.
Yeah.
That's all right. We can get him.
So yeah, Bunnings don't sell this part. I've got to go to Pummers. So that's your hot. That's your cold.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Do you want-
Not only block them, I'll have to get some what's on for the. I think I've got some in the
You
thing.
can just screw them shut, right?
Yeah, but one.
Because if you close
Yeah, I
that,
suppose
that
yeah, you
should
can.
come
No,
out.
we don't need them. But then again, it comes out there now. So.
Oh. Well, that's good. We'll continue the tour.
Yeah, hi. At the moment, we're just doing a in the shower. We have to reroute all the pipe work for the hot and cold water. So I've got to crawl under a space, disconnect it, and reconnect it. Pull them all back through, and reconnect them to the old wash machine that was there. There's a couple of hoses there that's sticking out that's letting the water through. So we're going to plug them up and then reattach them at the other end, and then it will give us a shower. So yeah, cheers.
I'm just trying to work it out. Can I stand on this?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, God. What can you see?
I can see there's a water line that goes.
Yeah. Not that that really means anything to me. Okay. Doesn't really mean anything to me. Sorry, I'll move. Right?
I'm losing my pants.
Oh. God, I'm glad you warned me.
Ready, was it?
Maybe. There might be an even easier way again.
Be in here. Well, from that connection.
Yeah, so rip this tee out here, then pull that feed line out and connect it into here. I think we do that.
Easier?
Yeah, so take, rather than swap a tee out here,
Yeah.
disconnect that, and then just pull that line from out here that goes to goes from the hot water into the back of the shower.
Right,
And
okay.
just connect it straight into that.
So it'll be a T-piece there, will it?
No, so this will just, rather than connect and go T down
Oh,
and
okay,
across,
yeah, yeah.
where this connects into the T, just pull that all the way
I
up
see
to
what you
here
mean.
and get rid of all of that.
Yeah. Right, what's the amount of hot water in there, mate? There is going to be water in there, so.
Is it going to come out? Oh.
It's just in the line, so.
Are you holding it tightly?
No.
Oh.
A pair of pliers.
No, I don't want to damage it.
You can always cut it, take it off. You might have to cut it. Yeah. Where are my snippets?
Over here.
No, I had some snippets in my pocket.
Oh.
Beautiful.
So that's all your bits, is it?
Yep. All the bits and pieces.
Shades of me falling over.
Can you push that line up at all?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Cool.
Yeah.
So then we want to pull this line off and connect this straight into that
Right.
and get rid of that whole T down to your washing machine.
That'll give us some spare.
Yeah, some
Ones as
spare
well.
connections. So then over here we can just loop that in on itself rather than use a
Good plumber, mate.
pull it out.
We'll need that.
Now this, if you can hold that for a sec. Oh shit.
Oh, did it go through?
Nah, we're
That's
good.
lucky.
Did it just miss out?
Yeah. Alright.
So how big is
I
it?
think that's a special fitting on that one.
Was that the insert? There was an insert in that one.
Just make sure.
Oh, there's one in there. That's all right.
Yeah, no, that'll be alright. So we can just whack that.
Not again. Oh,
O-ring goes on the outside of that.
We have a shower tonight.
that'd be good.
Cool, so now this is gone.
Right, so those showers should be gone.
That shower, you will have hot water at the shower,
Right.
but now we've still got to deal with your
Do
cold
the
water
cold
loop.
one. I'll wait until you're finished. And do the cold one. Huh?
So we can always put these back in later if
Yeah.
you want water here, but
Yeah.
should be alright.
All right. Awesome. What's next?
Cold water.
Yeah, close off the cold water line so we can run cold water without spilling water everywhere.
Mm.
Yeah. Well, I
So
hope so.
in the shower,
Yeah.
which you always could, right?
And I'll turn the valve on.
Yeah. Which valve?
That's the valve.
So you got hot water at the shower?
Turn
Hang
the
on.
shower on.
Yeah, that's good.
Extra hot.
Yeah. But you're saying when you run cold, it leaks out in there.
From the other tube, yeah. So it needs to go
Yeah, cool. So we'll sort that out.
back in, yeah.
This and just loop that back into it.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
Is it bendy enough?
Yeah.
They tend to kink.
Well, what we can do then?
Oh, that's not too bad.
No, what we can do, if you don't want to do that,
Put another joint on it.
no, because you've got a 90 now, you can just connect these two with a 90.
Yeah, okay, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Right.
That's a good system, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Too far.
I like one we won't need these, will we?
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
it's connected
because you
with
want to
that
use
one.
that
Oh, of
connection.
course, yes, sorry. Out of the way a little bit.
He needs a plumber.
Mm.
Is it sort of common sense or something?
I don't know, common sense, just it'll work.
That's why he's an engineer. That's why he gets
Yeah,
the
I
big
know.
money.
Yeah, that's where he gets
Oh.
the big bucks.
Alright, try that. Turn your cold water on.
Yeah, valve on.
Is that the cold? Not very strong, is it?
Oh, come good.
There's no cold water yet.
Oh.
Oh, you got that other valve under the tank.
Oh, over there, yeah.
That one.
Then I can clean it and stuff because I didn't bother. It's a little bit dirty. This whole area gets wet actually, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There we got cold water.
Hey. It's probably warm
Yeah,
anyway.
no, that's cold.
Is it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Well, that's a perfect temperature shower.
Is it? Oh, it's going to be lovely.
And there's no water leaking? No.
No.
Yes. Hey. How good is that?
Looks good.
Cool.
And we've got some spare ones.
Yes.
So it's coming out of
Got another
there.
thing here too.
I should take the fittings off and put them all in there.
Yeah, yeah, I'll take these.
Here's a bit here too.
Yep.
Well done, guys.
Oh, Lee.
No, well, you both did.
Ah.
What happened? Are you all wet?
Yeah, we turned the wrong one on. We both got soaked.
Is he so? Lee,
I caught the worst of it, Lee. Look. I won't take
how much
long to
water's
dry.
in there? Oh my god. Lee, you looks like you had a shower.
Oh god.
What happened? You were so
Oh, we just
organised.
We didn't think of turning
Oh,
off
Dennis
the water.
is soaking.
That's all right.
Is it dirty?
No, probably.
No, that's not dirty. That's all right.
All I could hear was water gushing everywhere. Look at Lee's hair, it's all wet.
It was actually facing up this way, when so I just went.
Ah, so that didn't work, what you did before? Or is it?
Yeah,
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 it
we
worked.
just
We're just
found a
changing
better way to
this,
do it.
Oh,
so it's not. Sorry,
so you've got to...
it's not gathering. Excuse me.
Oh, you mean like, yeah, because then it will be
You don't want a
yuck.
dead leg of water.
No, yuck.
Let's play my glasses. Hang on.
Yeah, I looked at it afterwards and thought they worry about
It'll-
Legionnaires' disease with that
yeah.
kind of stuff.
Especially out here with the bugs and
Yeah. So
mozzies and whatnot.
we'll just make it so you can flush this line when you need to.
Oh, that's a good idea. Otherwise, it would have been sitting in that little circle bit.
Correct.
Yeah, right. Near. Pity I wasn't filming when that whole explosion
That's true.
happened.
We can do it again.
I'm sure you can. Like when I fell down the hole, Dennis didn't film me doing that either.
Oh no.
It's pretty clogged up.
Is it?
A different what?
A different hot rose.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I like that one. What's wrong with that?
Well, you can get the same style. It's just a new one. It's just a bit blocked. That's all.
Yeah, no, I probably wouldn't like new one. I don't mind the base is alright once I clean it.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yeah, it's gonna be good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely feels more homey when you can have a shower and stuff like that properly.
Yeah.
That's good. You right, lap? Got it all done? Good. Excellent. What's he doing? All right. So me and Lee are going to try and work out this drone. He's brought his drone. It's only a little one. It's probably not going to be amazing, but we thought we'd have a look while he was here. So we'll just see what it's like. You ready? All right, well, let's see what happens. So I don't understand how it works.
Hang on, it's going to take off.
Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Whoops. If it's not going to be any good, we won't worry about it. So that little thing films it,
Busted.
is it? Wow, that's cool. I've never seen one real life. Wow.